Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix disk write error on Steam. Now, the first thing you can try is to restart your Steam and your PC. So sometimes simply restarting Steam and your computer can resolve the issue. Next, you can try running Steam as administrator. So just right-click the Steam icon and select Run as Administrator. This can help if the error is due to permission issues. Next up, you can try clearing your download cache. So just head to Steam Settings, then Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. Next, you can also try repairing library folder. So in Steam, head to Settings, Downloads, and then Steam Library Folders. From there, right-click the folder where your games are installed and select Repair Library Folder. Next, try to check hard disk for errors. So use the built-in Windows tool to check your hard drive for errors. Right-click the drive, select Properties, head to the Tools tab, and click Check. Then, you can also try temporarily disabling your firewall or antivirus software to see if they are blocking Steam. Next up, try removing write protection. So ensure that the drive or folder where Steam is installed is not write protected. Right-click the folder, select Properties, and make sure Read Only is unchecked. Next, you can also try changing your download region. So sometimes changing the download region can help. So you can do this by heading to the Steam settings, then Downloads, and change the download region. And finally, as a last result, you can try reinstalling Steam. So just make sure to back up your game first before doing so. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.